SSAB AB, earlier Svenskt Stål AB, is a Swedish company, formed in 1978 and specialized in processing raw material to steel. Industrivärden ADEN is the largest shareholder. Swedish operations, their headquarters is in central Stockholm. The production is located at Luleå yen, Borlänge currency NGE, Oxela paragraph Sundan Finns yen NG. SSAB Sweden produces 3.9 million tons of steel. North American operations, IPSCO Incorporated began as Prairie Pipe Manufacturing Company, Limited in Regina, Saskatchewan in 1956, changing its name to Interprovincial Steel and Pipe Corporation, Limited in 1960 and IPSCO, Incorporated in 1984. As of 2000, IPSCO had used mini mills to produce flat-rolled steel for 40 years. Late in 2001, the company officially opened an Axis, Alabama mill, with a capacity of 1,250,000 tons. The $425 million rolling mill, with mill stand housings believed to be the largest one-piece cast mill housings in the world at 350 tons each, uses scrap steel to produce discrete plate and coiled hot-rolled plate. Montpelier, Iowa had a similar facility which began operations in 1997, but this one would serve the Gulf Coast. On October 21, 2008, SSAB announced a $460 million expansion of the Axis mill to be completed in 2011. The mill already had 400 employees and 350 contractors. In May 2007, a deal to acquire IPSCO for $7.7 billion was announced. At the time, IPSCO's annual production was 4.3 million tons, with 4 steel mills and 11 pipe mills. On July 17, 2008, SSAB announced the completion of the deal. John Tulloch succeeded the retiring David Sutherland as IPSCO president and became an executive vice president of SSAB. On March 17, 2008, Evraz Group SA announced it would buy SSAB's Canada pipe and plate business and the steel tube business of the American IPSCO unit for $4.3 billion after steel prices rose and the dollar fell. Evraz also planned to sell some of the American assets for $1.7 billion to Away OTMK. IPSCO had 4,300 employees, with 70% of his operation in the United States and 30% in Canada. After the sale, SSAB changed the name of its North American operation to SSAB North American Division. Headquarters stayed in Lisle, Illinois. Included in this division were steel operations in Mobile and Montpelier, and cut-to-length lines in St. Paul, Minnesota, Houston, Texas, and Toronto, Ontario, Canada. David Britton succeeded Tulloch as president. Paul Wilson, with 36 years of industry experience, 10 of those with SSAB including management of Mobile steel operation, became the vice president in charge of the American steel operations. Expanding to Finland, on January 22, 2014 it was announced that SSAB is to purchase Finnish steel manufacturer Rautayuki for €1.1 billion. See also: List of Swedish companies. References. 1. Net sales USA 2013/2014 $2.793.358.400 US dollar. External links, official website.